Today new lesson, electricity. Introduction. In 1882, when it was sunset in the west, that miracle happened in New York City when Thomas Alva Edison gently pushed the switch on 14,000 bulbs in 9,000 houses suddenly got lighted up. It was the greatest invention to mankind. From then the world was under the light even in the night. Okay, so who invented light, a bulb? Sir, Thomas Alva Edison. Okay, Thomas Alva Edison. He only invented the light, that you very well know about that. So that electricity, today we will discuss the type of electricity. Many countries begin using electricity purpose 17 years after the New York. In 1898, electricity first came to India. The Calcutta Electricity Supply Corporation Limited commissioned the first thermal power plant in India on 17 April 1899. Okay, around 90s, a thermal power station was set up a basin bridge in Madras city, and power was distributed to the government press, general hospital, electric tramways and certain residential area in Madras. Today electricity is a very common household commodity. Why it is a very common? Yeah, now online classes are going on. You are listening because of the electricity. Without electricity you can't say that. Yes or no? Without power, without light. So especially in the mobile, you can ask the question to me, Miss, mobile only we can use. Yeah, how to charge the mobile? Because of the electricity. So very important for the electricity. So fridge, washing machine, light, everything needed the electricity. You very well know that electricity we getting from the Mr. Thomas Alva Edison only. So lot of commodity we can use, household commodities and all other official we can use it, and government will rule from that electricity. So electricity is very important. That electricity lesson only we can discuss today. Okay, in your class 6 we learn about electricity and their sources, from operating factories, running medical equipment like ventilator, communication like mobile, radio, TV, drawing water. So everything you can see that. Yes, agriculture, field and light and home electricity is important. What is electricity? Today everything it will run by the electricity, that you know that. So what is electricity? Heat and magnesium. Okay, heat is the one electricity. We have learned that all material made up small particle called atom. Now you are know one word is atom. Okay, grab it, underline that. The center of the atom is called nucleus. Each atom having nucleus. Though atom is very important for the electricity. That atom is present in the inside what present, that is nucleus. Are you clearly understood? Okay, the nucleus consists of proton and neutron. What is that? The nucleus consists of proton and neutron. Proton are positively charged. Proton is plus, positive, and neutron have no charges. Okay, neutron have no charges. That is, negatively charged electron revolve around the nucleus in circle orbit. Electricity is a form of energy that is associated with the electric charge that exists inside the atom. So each an atom is having nucleus. Every atom have a nucleus. Where it is present, it is centrally it is present. The nucleus consists of two things. One is proton, another one is neutron. Proton is the positive, P for positive, and the neutron is no charges, nothing. Neutron means nothing. So N you can collect it. So nothing is there. Electricity is a form of energy that is associated with the electric charge existing inside the atom. Each atom having electricity. So it will be charges from that. This is proton and electron only charge, and we are getting from the electric current. Okay, that only we are study that. Are you clearly know that? Okay, see that this is the atom. So proton is plus and neutron is minus. Okay, so nucleus, around the nucleus, the proton and electron are covered in that, and after that it will be come out the nucleus. Okay, so electric charge is measured in the unit called as coulomb. Coulomb is the unit. 1 unit of the Coulomb is charge of approximately 6.242 into 10 to the power 18 protons or electrons. Maybe it is present in proton or electron. So electric charge are generally denoted by the letter Q. What is that? Denoted by the letter Q. Okay. So very important for this. Thank you, student.